Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will gonna discuss our next topic under conference trading series, that is supply and demand zone. Supply and demand zones are very important to understand the market overall trend and to decide our entry and exit. So what is exactly supply and demand zones? If we see in any chart from where some bullish momentum is getting picked or any bearish momentum is getting picked, then we see there must be some floor from where the price has started moving up or falling down. So those are the areas where we get a big price back action. Those areas are actually our supply and demand zones, and we have to identify those zones so that we can understand that from here price and market can take any sudden movement and continue that movement for a while. Let's just understand from an example. Let's see this chart. The price is getting falling, and someone around it getting some support and trying to push up. But again, seller have picked up this area and taken the price to the lower level. And again, here market found some support and starting going up. If you see more in detail, then in this area we found that market has given back-to-back bearish candles, and here it has made a bearish engulfing pattern, and thereafter market went down. If you see little deeply, then we found that after this bearish engulfing pattern, market trying to go up, but at the top they are the sellers high, and they short the market again and take the market down, and thereafter this candle down till here, but some of the buyers are trying to catch up the falling knife, and they ultimately get their fate and market went down where it has to go. So this probably some buyer's trap where buyers got caught in the seller's trap and lost their capital or some part of their profits. So this is the area where we see lots of supply or lots of conferences. So we have to mark this area as our demand and supply zone, and we always mark it as a demand and supply zone because from where the market get demands is always where the market gets supply. And if you see from where the market gets support will become the area where market get the demand or supply in the later part. So here where the market see some support and getting push ups and getting some support and then again going push ups. So we have to mark this area as our next demand and supply zone from, because if we see there is a good price action from this area to this area, it means we definitely have some demand and supply zones here. So I have to mark like this my demand and supply zone. And if you see when the market went up to this level, it reached to the its previous demand and supply zone and getting shorted here, and after lots of struggle it fell down. It means our previous demand and supply zone is working perfectly, and it will lead us to take a decision that from here market may either go push up or push down. But as because we saw that market could not able to break this zone, and it means it is going down. So once market reaches its previous demand and supply zone, it getting some push-ups, some struggle, and then again went up. And when it went to its to previous high, we have to mark our new demand and supply zone, because after hitting its previous demand and supply zone, it got rejected and went down. It means it build a new demand and supply zones from where market will again see some good price action. And when you see that from the downward demand and supply zone, when market got push-ups, it went straight after some struggle into its newly found demand and supply zone and getting rejected very quickly, and we see a very good price action. and thereafter it broke its previous demand and supply zone and getting fall down. It means it is looking for a new demand and supply zones from where it may get some demand and try to get up. So if we saw that market is getting some support around here, it means there is some demand and supply zone, and we need to look back to understand why and from where it is getting some demand and supply. Let's go back. So here I saw there is some momentum, and thereafter market has taken a very good price action, a bullish momentum. It means market has a demand and supply zone in this area. We have to mark our new demand and supply zone around here and have to take it to the current price zone. So then we will find that this is why the market getting demand from this area and push-ups. As market was rejected from here, it found a new demand supply zone, so we have to mark it. So this is the market new demand and supply zones, so we have to mark it. As market went into the new found supply demand zone, it is getting rejected and fell down and went into the previous demand and supply zone and getting demand and pushing ups. Thereafter market has rejected its demand and supply zone and pushes up, and when it's crossed this zone, getting this demand supply zone and getting up. So this is how we can understand the market has certain demand and supply zones. If we identify those correctly, we can certainly get to know that from here market will getting some demand and may trying to go up or down. We need to understand those zones should not be broken. If we have to take those zones into consideration, then we have to surely identify all those zones which are not broken, either in the current zone or in the previous zone. Let's see, from here these demand and supply zones were never broken until when it went into this level, and thereafter it got broken and then straightly went into this zone in the previous zone, because it was broken but somehow got some supply and went up. So we need to understand, like in this zone was not get rejected, not good, but after this fall this zone was get rejected and this gets some nullify effect, and because in this area we are getting some demand, so we have to go back in the price, and so from where we can find some demand and supply zone which was working for this. So this is how we can identify our demand and supply zones and can take our trading into the next level. I hope you will understand. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.